Good evening, my friends and followers, and the new investors. Today, again, I have come to spell some point which are like little bit in educational nature as well as very much practicals. Newcomers, especially in the market, they make hurry. They make hurry in doing their tasks without learning the subject. Now, I'll say stock market is not only for a single day or not going to end by tomorrow or fortnightly. So, please keep patience and don't start or doing the things without, I say, you without having definitely in your mind what exactly you want. Especially myself also happened when in the early stage when I was knowing little bit more in the market, but many times it happened with me like without exactly what is to be done or what is to be achieved by me, without knowing that I started trading. Like in the early morning I was present and then I purchased, and by evening I lost few thousands and came back. I remember one day 2011, that day I lost almost all 50,000, and then I left trading intraday. But I'll have a lesson the intraday. I have a research intraday how it can be done. And thereafter, sometime I did it to check whether I was correct or not. I found okay, it was quite correct, and I could make a few thousand per day. But I never advise, or I never will advise investor, my friends and followers to take part in intraday trading. It's a very difficult job. You have to have so much study, otherwise you cannot win against the professional traders. Now, what is intraday trading? Today you purchased, today you settled your amount. Now, many broking firms are there. If you pay them 10,000, 10 times, even 20 times, they are allowing to make trade. If you pay 50,000, they will allow 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs to trade. But is it viable? I will say not viable. Like us, middle class family, if we lost few thousand every day, after 10 days we leave the markets. So, it is not my request. I say that my followers, friends, first keep your patience. Market is forever. But should we continue forever? That is the question. You have to take the responsibility. You have to know what exactly you want to do. You have to understand how it is to be done. Then after that day I suffered loss. Then after I determined into my minds. By the time I had a portfolio stock, I knew something regarding the portfolio which gave me much more return. Then I concentrated on that which gave me return. We have to understand what is our goal. We have to understand how we can achieve our goal. We have to understand how we can do it. Intelligent people, they always safeguard themselves and they do not talk much regarding stock market with third parties or the innocent people or the people with the negative mind. Instead, they start learning. You have to learn. Nobody is there who can make help you. Let you take many trainings, many things you take. You study the chart, you study the fundamental, anything you do. But the friends, investor are patientless. So I'll speak some point on the intraday trading. Don't put your order, buy order especially or sell order, pre-market opening. We do not know how the market will behave after it is opened. There is a huge volatility from morning 9 o'clock to 9:30, I'll say. After market is open, you have to understand the market. But some people, they patienceless and they put their order, either sell or buy. They short intraday, they short it or they buy it. And they try to become more smarter than the market. We have to look into the market and we cannot overtake the market. If market behaves some way, we have to abide by the market's directions. Then only we can make some money in the market. Whatever stock I have in my portfolio at 50 rupees, if the stock starts with 45 rupees and then I make sell order or I make more purchase order, both could give you or give us like the reverse trend. On buy it may go further down, on sell it may go up. So you lost your quantity which you held already if you do not want to settle the intraday part. So if you really want to do the intraday, then from 9 to 9:15 pre-market you don't do anything. That is very volatile. 9:15 to 9:30 also you don't do anything. First you understand the market. We cannot be smarter than the market. If you understand the market, then you can take as per your capacity little bit amount trade on the market, depending again whatever you trade, that it is to be settled down before 3 o'clock or quarter to 3 you have to settle down, because after 3 to 3:30 there is again volatility. There is a volatility index, India VIX, every day increase or decrease, fall by more than 20, 15, 20. So warning you, exit 20, it is not sure. So that's become speculation part. So intraday I never preferred. If you are intelligent, first take the responsibility. Second, you must know what you want to exactly do with the market. Market is not going to finish today or tomorrow or by even fortnightly. Then you have to understand how once you determine what to be done, then next thing is, next idea should come into your mind, how you can achieve your understanding what is to be done by you and what is your goal, how that to be achieved by you. Market, we cannot time the market without learning much more. You cannot make money, that I am sure. All of the previous videos are educational in nature. I spelled you my portfolio, some of the stock, many other stock I'll speak to you, and if you like you can start accumulating for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, be long-term player. Everybody is there in the market to make money. So we have to win, or you have to win. It's not so easy task. Intelligent people are there. Nobody fool coming into the market. Everybody wanted to make money. But if you make hurry, then you will lose. It is sure from my side. You have to learn step by step. You have to educate yourself step by step. If you are new in the markets, then you open demat account, then you start putting small quantity order, small values. So if loss, then it should be digested by you. That capacity you have to have. The payment which you have to pay everywhere whenever you want to learn, and that should be your payment. But if you win, then you become like little bit more motivated, so it enthuses you to learn more. Nobody, I say you once more, nobody is there to help you. So intraday, I never prefer, I never traded also last 10 years. I traded, but intraday I never. Trade could be for single day, which I never do it now. For 7 days, 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 2 months even. I will give you one example, Morganite, 2 to 3 months, my trade. I already entered, apart from my original holding, Morganite, again I entered. I have taken this as educational part, stock market is educational part as well as it's a game. And this could be game changer for you also. Please, it is a learning subject. How you can think without learning you make money? It's not possible. So it is learning subject. Intraday I never prefer, but somebody do. Avoid timing between 9 to 9:30, even quarter to 10. You understand the market trend and then you do what market is, how it is going, that you go also. Nifty gone 500 points, then you make trades coming down by 50 points, you short again it will go up. So you make loss of money. Never, any stock market behavior, never straightway up or straightway down. There is a wave. And your point of trade, you have to understand. Technical facts or technical things I'll be discussing later on. Fundamental, you have to understand. Market fundamental also you have to understand. You have to learn the different terms associated with the markets. This is all from my side. Good night, friends. Please take your own decision, study well, be prepared, then you play the game. Good night from my side. Thank you.